with a history of creating superior air-moving solutions. EBM Popst, a global leader and innovator in air and heating technology across the world, strengthens its commitment to the U.S. market, significantly driving down lead times and improving product line offerings and technical capabilities, with the addition of a 177,000 square foot state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in the heart of America. Offering more than 20,000 energy-efficient and intelligent products, our Telford, Tennessee location will augment our existing Farmington, Connecticut facility. To service and supply industry solutions for just about any requirement. At EBM Popst, we have more than 4 decades of experience in the United States, representing a long tradition of serving the American market and providing a total environmental solution approach to cooling requirements. Using our extensive in-house resources to create sustainable and intelligent solutions. The Telford, Tennessee facility expands our infrastructure and sustainability activities to serve customers even faster, more effectively, and in a more tailored manner for sustainable refrigeration, air conditioning, and ventilation applications. EBM Popst's highly skilled and experienced in-house experts tackle today's most difficult air-moving challenges to tomorrow's challenges. With high-efficiency EC technology to ensure customers always stay that decisive step ahead for every major market. From custom solutions brought to life with precision, solid processes, and accuracy, our products are designed to meet any specifications to the latest high-efficiency EC technology. Contact us today to learn more about the quality and longevity that propels EBM Popst and our customers forward.